when you plant plants, perennials that come back every year, you're not going to hurt them if you move them. As a beginning gardener, this is green color. It doesn't say that it's organic. You're going to get to the point where you've planted something and you need that exact spot for something new. It's this poodle. You have the choice then. Do you take your new plant and move it to a different location because there's already something planted in there? Or do you move the thing that's planted there to plant your new plant? Don't let a plant just die in the container because you couldn't figure out where you wanted to plant it. That looks perfect right there. I want to plant this cedar. It's called Thuya occidentalis danica, and it makes a little 1 meter by 1 meter ball. It's probably going to get bigger than that if it's happy. So I don't want to plant it too close to the wall, but I want to block this window here. That's not very pretty at the back of my garden. Here's the plant I want to move. So I just pull back the mulch. Don't get too close to the plant, so you don't want to chop up its roots. Down. And wiggle like that. Step down and wiggle. Little wormy. Oh. There he is. He doesn't want to be out in the air. His roots want to be buried and in the dark, so he's not happy right now. So we're going to work quickly. Can you hear the birds? They're peeping away because they don't like me being here. I gotta move quickly so the birds can have back their feeder. Okay, so then you're gonna get to the point where you've dug out your plant and you're ready to put the new plant in. And I need quite a deep hole because it's quite a deep pot. I'm just going to seep up pops so easily out. And then, when I put it in the hole, I'm going to add this. It's called mycorrhizal. You don't need to do this, but it just is supposed to build a better root system. And it's like a fungus. And on the bottom, it throws them in the hole. So the fungus here connects with the fungus in the hole. Backfill the hole with compost. Got the new compost, pat it around. Tighten him in there a little bit. Water him, and then pull the mulch back onto him. Okay, there you go. The next step is I have to find a place as fast as possible, especially on a sunny day like this, to put these in the ground. Ideally, figure this out before you start the project. Back in. So just like that, very quickly I'm going to go get the water and water him in. Nice big drink. And keep him watered really the next few weeks. Make sure he's really not overwatered, but not drying out at all, because his roots are damaged just by being exposed to the air. So they're very thirsty. Okay, 2 more to go. So a year ago, I took out the grass, I put down the soil, and I started planting some small plants. And I can already see some of the plants right now are planted too closely together, and they will definitely need to be moved again. And you don't need to be afraid of moving perennials. You don't want to move them every season. You want to give them a little bit of a chance, but if you have to move them, you move them to a new home. It's no problem. Finally, the plants are in. I've watered them, now I'm going to mulch them to keep the soil nice and hydrated. And I'm done for the day. I can clean up. See you next time.